And special thanks to our friends at this company who were nice enough to send us this pack of period underwear for women. This is a 3-pack and no leakage, fast absorbing. I can say my wife lives by these things. 1, 2, 3. What is this? Is this like a little healthcare incorporated pregnancy? Is it like something to put them in to wash them? Pamphlet there. Nice. And then it looks like all 3 of these are identical. I can say my wife got some last year though, and she has absolutely loved these things. These are size medium. You can see the materials that they're made out of and everything right there. But she first was very nervous and gave them a try. Has loved them ever since. It's been like a great backup method for her. So very nice. See, it's kind of like really thick there. All right, well, that'll do it for this 3-pack of period underwear unboxing. Thanks to the company who was nice enough to send these to me. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.